So guys, good evening. Kumusta ng araw nyo, gabi nyo? Today we are going to go first to the gym. We're going to do some carry stuff. But first, my day tayo mamaya pagdating natin sa loob, ha? Pero check natin kung may tao. Siyempre, may tao minsan dyan, di ba? Oh, meron. Shit. Sabay tayo. Wait na. Who's doing gym? Okay, dito muna tayo. Wala pa. Alright. What I'm going to tell you guys is about this girls, okay? Now, a few weeks ago, if you know Angel Escanio, right? They say that when you see her, you fight her, you ban her. I have pictures for her. Now, the problem is, guys, these girls that you usually see on the roads, they will throw you, bang you, so we're from Angel. Oh shit. So we have Angel. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we have Angel. Angel Escanio, my ninang from Ariel Reynolds. Grabe, dami ko Angel, oh. Tapos we have, Mia Fiat. Diba? Alam mo when you look at Mia's neck face, the way she looks, I want to hug her, kiss her, diba? Imagine you see her running all over BGC, Korea. Alam mo yung mga sinusot niya? Yung arms niya, guys, grabe. After all these days, out of the black, a guy comes inside this school, bigla, says, "Where's Mia Ramirez?" She found her. They fought her, threw her, kicked her. Ang dami, no? Next. Yung modelo, diba? Yung mga naka-legs, makeup, lipstick, We also have, dami. Yung yung mga nasa cafe, yun. Yung nasa motor-motor, diba? Yun. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos dyan, guys, ha? Later, after our gym, that's from, we'll just wait for these people to finish para ako tayo lang yun, diba? And then, ano mo gagabi? Si Mia Ramirez went out of her school, diba? She was excited, boyfriend, diba? Actually, that's her boyfriend. When she saw her friend, hugged her, kissed her, kagabi, a guy throws Mia into a construction. Alam mo yung legs niya? Skirt, heels, makeup, and lips. 5 minutes after all the fights, they slowly threw her again. Alam mo yung legs niya? This is the time. They slowly brought her into this construction. Actually, the second one, right? Pagpasok ni Mia Ramirez sa construction, right? All of a sudden, stabbed her chest, left her dead. Out of nowhere, she stood. Alright, so some American guy came out. Now, what we're planning to do, guys, is to look at these girls' legs, arms, where they look at, right? Imagine you see Jessa Balano sa Makati. Shit, I saw her. This guy was outside waiting for the time to fight, to ban, to throw, to crush him. What happened? Diba? Tapos 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, a guy goes into the construction. They shot Mia's face. Mia Ramirez shot her, stabbed her, drilled her, cut her. Tapos a Korean girl. Tasha ran. She stopped. All of a sudden, her legs hit. They broke her. I feel Tapos last night, yung kaibigan ko, si Eric Owie, they invited Owie, Anna, Ara, Tasha, all around this party. Pagpasok ni Owie sa loob, he says, they slowly fought Owie's body, face, arms. I'm not sure if this guy's finished, because we're waiting for the guy to finish right now. So yun, and tambay tayo na tayo. We just wait for this guy to finish, because alam mo yung mga Korean girls ngayon guys, when you see their legs, they attack you, they bang you, they break you. Si Jane Embang, last week. Si Jane Embang daw na kagabi. Went to ATC. She's partying, she's laughing. This guy brought his truck in front of Jane's. This guy. They slowly punched her face through her into this truck. All around the truck. Alam mo yung face niya. They threw her arms, almost broke. She fought. And guys, destroyed her arms. They slowly pounded Jane in Bang's body, broke her arms, broke them. 5 minutes. They threw her into a construction. They threw her up in the air. A bullet straight to her legs. She fell dead. But I know guys, when you look at these girls guys, what do you feel like doing, no? Alam mo, kagabi yung friend ko, yung mga sa emails. Let's just wait. She went to UGC. Alam niyo yung suot ng Jactra. Skirt, heels, makeup, lipstick. Naglabas niya, ito na. Isang lalaki pushed her, punched her, banged her. Imagine yung legs ng Jactra. Shit. Tapos yung mga girls ngayon sa mga bars, naman, tapos legs. Oh. Kagabi si Gemma, tumakbo. 5 minutes, got hit by a truck, broken ribs. She stood up, crushed it. Oh. Si Eli. Ito guys. Eli went to Malate. Diba? Skirt, heels, makeup, etc. Ano yung makeup niya? Tapos bigla isang lalaki kissed her. This girl, when she got into the bar, Eli. So what happened? He started to fight Eli's body, banged her face, broke her arms. Legs. How we pregnant fight. You know guys, Eli, when I look at her, I want to kiss her for the first time, make love with her, but guys, ito, precious. No one in green has so many precious. Waiting, laughing, we'd like his ribs. Let's go. Oh, no. This is not color. Hindi mo na, may ako kasunod. Siyempre, sa October or something. Imagine you see, Angels Rico. Shit, legs. Kagabi na, si Kay Amaro. She went to the party and said, hey, I want to talk to your assistant, Angel Suico. Everyone knows that her waist is sexy, skinny, but good. You can go and fight with her later. All of a sudden, they stabbed Angel's body, shoot her arms, ito, brought her to a room, right in front of the stage. Cut, We will download more later. Say, I want these girls to get in the walls. And then when you mga girls ngayon, you see their legs, you see them banging. Shit. There was a beautiful white girl, Russian spirit. Dito sa BGC, away, tapon. 6:13 ng gabi, they slowly brought this heavy guy, kicked her. When they saw the car, threw in front of the car with broken arms. Oh. She stood up with a step in her hand as a 3.5-inch. Shot Russia's leg. But look at this girl, like I'm downloading every single thing I see right now. Like, look at this. Russian spear dude in front of the car. See, Shirley Chen, if you know her from Temple Hill, playing badminton inside a gymnasium. But there's basketball, badminton. One evening, when she was about to go home, she was with her friends, right? A guy shoots Shirley's body. Just good. He break her legs, stab her body, shot the car. Dead. Si Angela, ito. Inside Dasma Village, I went with her to this place. We sat down, chilled. This is shame, isn't it? It's supposed to be fun, right? Yeah, we'll just wait for a while. So guys, if ever you're going to go to the greenhouse, whenever you guys go to Green Hills and you see these girls, look for a girl with her skirt, heels, makeup, etc. Remember guys, the girl that you have to look for, legs. Beautiful legs. Kagabi na, I went to BGC, went out with this girl, right in front, we kissed, we hugged. Even the Chinese girls now, they're so easy to touch, feel, kiss. Kagabi, I went out with a Korean girl. Beautiful. We went out, we kissed, her perfume. I said, baby, yes. I don't want you to get mad at me. I have a girl. Her attitude is not good anymore. Oh, what do I say? Just tell her that we met each other here in the house. Okay? And then maybe you just say that we will go out, we met in McDonald's, you went in, then I saw you. Oh, not sure. Because her attitude is not good anymore. Korean girls now, when they see you, they start to fight you. Si Ines kagabi, went to Baguio, diba? Alam niyo yung drummer girl? Shot Ines's body, threw her out, broken the car. Doing this. Looking at all these girls, I feel like, can I really imagine looking at the smaller ones? Might hug them, kiss them. Si April nga, one time, sabi Andreas, may anak, wants to take you up down to Merienda. See, she wants you to kiss her cheeks, put her wings, parang brother and sister. See, sure. Right out, kissing the cheeks. Tapos so, yung mga gagawin natin kasi dito guys, is jumping jacks, right? Or jumping jacks. So, what we'll do, we should open the video here. So what we'll do is we'll send at least for how many reps, 20 reps, Then we do squat row press, then slide lateral, then mga machines that have to be like, 20 counts lang. Send natin lahat kay Coach Al. Coach, these are the gym stuff I did today. We'll just wait for this guy to finish. Si Jessa Balani, 5 o'clock p.m. Okay, thank you so much. I don't know maybe look at small girls now. I want to hug them, kiss them. So ito yung mga babae na kasama. I went to Krispy Kreme. I said, "Hi, sir. Ako si Andreas. I actually live here today. My problem is I don't have any friends. Anong klase na yung gusto mo? Yung mga kasama na dito. Sige. Pero what kind of friends you have? Like, hangouts? Yeah, if it's good, you could say, I work in greenhouse. Like, imagine a girl. Si Russia, out of nowhere. Ito. Throw into a mall, bang face. Diba? Tapos they were fighting her in the parking lot. Alam mo yung next ni Russia? They kicked her, threw her, banged her, almost happened. She said, "Please stop." Diba? They broke her legs, shot her arms. Get her say, "Yo." Yung mga girls na sa Manila, grabe. Dami ko lang. Nadzinia. So one time, I asked Mia, "Are you free today?" "Oh, I guess, yeah. Can we meet in Terry for a while?" "Sure, where?" Probably let's go to the swimming pool. Just chill." "Sure." Tapos, we were talking. "What's up, Andres?" Mia, my girlfriend and I have been fighting nonstop. I feel like my relationship, there's something good in that. "Are you okay?" "No. Every time we are in the greenhouse, we don't do together anything. I just drop her, go out. I think she's not gonna learn it." Wait. Don't tell me about this because right against each other, I really like you. So I think it's better let's do it up. Yung mga kilala ng angels kami, kagabi nga, nasa graduation siya, si Esa, ito. Diba, lalabas na sila, dalawa sila, Angel and Esa. Pagbaba nila, isang lalaki, through Angel's body, into a park. Yan, alam mo yung hindi niya. Bang! Broke him back. Reverse his car, again, same thing. 10 times, non-stop. With the Esa. Fought this guy's car, threw Esa into another place. Same thing. No one in greenhouse fought these two guys. When Esa and Angel went back down, I felt Esa, Angel, broken. Tapos, Jenny sa karata, ito. Nag-meet kami sa isang lugar. Kagabi, I was in Romelo. My sister said, "Oh, okay. I know you like my sister already, and my girlfriend is already know. Hey, it's good. My girlfriend is just not ready to me." Alam mo yung promise niya? Nervous ka. Let's go to it. Tapos, they go to this one, smile. Tapos mga, they push her Okay, circle that. Bakit ganyan mo bastos kaya Lex, ha? Alam mo kapatid ko to, ha? Bakit binabastos mo siya? Puro away kayo, ha? Bobo ka man lang, lumayas ka na. Alam mo, umuwi siya na kabila. I blocked your number. Yes, sir. Tapos into this. So yes. One evening, Angel Escalante was at the toilet of his bar. Papapasok niya to his room. She went to the toilet. She came out, three girls looking at her, looking at what she looks, what she wears, and the devices. Shoot her, and know what they want. When they fought, Angel Escalante body had almost. Once the guy will finish, or I can start. I don't think I'm gonna finish it. Next, yung next ita-download natin is yung kay Kyra, kay Mia, pati kay Mia, no? Kay ano, Kristen. That is making fresh memories. Or, what you can do, so it's serious, I just don't touch your wall. Kagabi na si Pasha, ito, pinakapon siya, through her face, banged her, 10:30 ng gabi, threw her out of the house, shot her. They stabbed her, drilled her. So these next two videos I'm going to do is we're going to talk about the next thing we're going to do, and we'll do 20 each. Hopefully we have enough space in this phone. Okay. Thanks guys. See you.